Hi, I'm Harish Godeti, founder of Cloud Optimized Solutions. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so happy to announce that I'm starting to work on Amazon Connect, which is one of my favorite products. But I could not get started earlier on Amazon Connect because there is no Amazon Connect in India. But luckily, I have found an amazing partner to work with in the US who can help me grow my Amazon Connect, grow the AWS partner business with Amazon Connect. So this is really awesome, and today I'm going to talk about what is Amazon Connect and what I believe is it's the only solution any business needs to deliver a world-class customer experience. So let's jump in and understand what Amazon Connect is. So Amazon Connect is a leading omni-channel cloud contact center that helps businesses of any kind deliver superior customer service at surprisingly low cost. Since I think the lower cost of delivering a service is kind of common theme across AWS, but Amazon Connect takes it to the whole new level, and we'll talk about it in the coming slides. So Amazon Connect is built from scratch out of necessity to serve Amazon customers. As you know, Amazon is huge, and Amazon Connect was built to serve their tens of millions of customers over 30 countries with different languages. So to serve them, Amazon built Amazon Connect, but what they did is later Amazon commercialized and called it Amazon Connect, and it is now available as part of AWS products and services. So that's the history, or that's the little background of Amazon Connect. So even before the product is, the Amazon Connect is available through AWS. It is a proven product. It is being used by Amazon, for years. So this is probably one of the best, if not the best, contact center solution that's available out there, cloud based. So Amazon Connect takes pride in delivering a seamless experience with both voice and chat. So it's a complete it's totally omni-channel experience that your customers will feel when they start you when you interact with them through Amazon Connect. So that's a brief introduction of Connect. Let's talk about Amazon Connect Voice. The key things: Amazon Connect Voice provides both inbound and outbound calls via PSTN. Amazon Connect itself is the telephony provider, so that's much better experience than many other competitors who rely on third external service providers for telephony, right? So provision and manage your numbers in Amazon Connect within minutes. So since Amazon itself handles its telephony, you can just go ahead and provision and manage all your numbers in Amazon Connect within minutes. 100% call recording. So the Connect allow gives you 100% call recording. All call recordings are stored in S3 Amazon simple storage service. So that's really the Amazon Connect voice. So this session, this what I'm going through right now is just to give you an introduction to Amazon Connect, and we are going to do a lot of deep dive sessions on each of these aspects in the coming days. So now Amazon Connect Chat, it's an asynchronous chat and allows customers to return and continue the chat on any device. So if you're on in the car driving and chat, in the car sitting and or in public transport, or you're doing your chatting on the phone, you can come home and go get on your laptop and continue the same chat, right? So that's really the asynchronous chat. The feature paper message, this is something you won't see elsewhere. Best in class reporting, the reports are amazing, even the out of box ones, extremely customizable, and we'll see when we do the technical sessions of Amazon Connect. So that is about Amazon Connect Chat. So now that we have seen what Amazon Connect is and what it does, now let's talk about the strategic differentiators. Why should you even consider, let's just say, even if you are like a 3 people support team, why should you even consider Amazon Connect, right? So here are the strategic differentiators. It's 100% cloud based. No installation maintenance hardware is required, so it's 100% cloud based. Self-service configuration allows small business to set up and start taking calls immediately in days and not weeks. So you don't need an a 2 month plan or 3 month plan to actually go ahead and get started. You can immediately get started and start taking calls. Contact flows is a feature, and contact flows allow you to create dynamic and personal customer experience. That's really a drag and drop builder where you can go ahead and create all these flows that tells you how your customer will experience, how the customer experience will be when they call your number or when you call them. Open platform integration is really easy, and over 160 partners integrated their software and solutions with Connect. AWS ecosystem built on top of AWS, so it integrates seamlessly with over 150 AWS services to extend capabilities beyond customer support. So even though it's a contact center solution, then with integrating with Redshift, with integrating with a lot of other services, you can take it beyond customer support and use the and get most value out of it in other business areas as well. Finally, pay as you go pricing and includes a free tier. So it offers a pay as you go pricing, as I told you, and also offers a free tier. Check it out. So that's this I believe, and from what I understand about the market of other software vendors or the competition, is by far, when you look at these differentiators, it's a no-brainer to pick Amazon Connect immediately as a contact center solution. So benefits is very simple to use, elastic and scalable as always, as all services in AWS. Reliable because not because it's on AWS, because it's been used by Amazon for many years, and yeah, it's also an open platform that allows you to integrate with many other third-party providers. So those are the benefits. I hope this session gave you an insight, a quick overview of what Amazon Connect is. I'm so excited to get started with Amazon Connect as a partner, because now that I can provide Amazon Connect services, both consulting also and professional services to Amazon Connect customers. And if you want to see a free demo, schedule a free demo, just leave a comment, or send me an email at info@cloudoptimize.net, and I can show you how Amazon Connect really can transform your customer experience for your business. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and we'll talk soon in the next video. Thank you.